All right, we have some big breaking news coming in right here. Chhattisgarh Congress MLAs have landed in Delhi. About a dozen of the MLAs have now reached Chhattisgarh. In fact, the MLAs close to Chief Minister Bhupesh Baghel seeking a meeting currently with the party high command. The MLAs of Baghel camp raise a pitch against change of guard in the state. Now, just as Punjab crisis overwhelming the Congress high command, here you have another state which is in doldrums. You have Bhupesh Baghel's supporters, Congress MLAs, who are now landed in Delhi wanting a meeting with the Congress high command, asking, in fact, the Congress high command not to change guard as yet. Let me quickly cut across to Anand Patel joining us for more on that. Anand, how many of these MLAs are currently in Delhi and what is their grouse? What is their demand? Because we thought that the Congress managed to douse all that crisis in Chhattisgarh by almost announcing that DO will be taking over the second half. Here is Baghel's supporters, his loyalists, who are now against this change of guard. It seems like crisis brewing in Chhattisgarh out of their control.
Well, yes, this is what we are picking up, Nabila. All these MLAs, at least 11 of them have landed.
Anand, I'm going to cut you short. I'm going to quickly cut across to a big breaking news coming in. Amid all the crisis in Punjab, we hear that Captain Amrinder Singh has just reached Amit Shah's residence. Captain Amrinder Singh, former Chief Minister of Punjab, who was forced to resign by the Congress High Command, has now just reached Amit Shah's residence. Of course, raising a lot of speculations if he is going to be joining the BJP formally. All that word and talk now almost coming into reality with Amrinder Singh now reaching Amit Shah's residence. In fact, this was on the cards. Amrinder Singh was supposed to be meeting with the BJP top guns, but that meeting he claimed was only personal. Nonetheless, it has raised a lot of speculation on the reason or the purpose behind Amrinder Singh meeting with Amit Shah. He just landed at Amit Shah's residence. He is going to be meeting with Amit Shah. In fact, India Today has found that Amrinder Singh had sought an appointment with the BJP High Command, or rather the top guns, including Amit Shah. He had asked for a meeting with them. There was a lot of talk about him coming into Delhi and be meeting with the BJP top guns, and exactly how it's panned out now. We see that Amrinder Singh has now just landed in Delhi. He's reached Amit Shah's residence. Let me quickly cut across. Anand Patel, over to you right here. Amid all the crisis in Punjab and with Navjot Singh Sidhu resigning as the PCC chief, after Amrinder was forced to resign as the chief minister, this is a big development coming in with Amrinder now landing at the doorstep of Amit Shah. What is the purpose of this meet?
Well, Nabila, we broke this story yesterday itself that Amrinder Singh is landing in Delhi and he's likely to meet Amit Shah. And today, we have confirmation that he's reached Amit Shah's residence, though his, people close to him were, yesterday denying this news that, he's coming to Delhi only to clear out his official residences, Kapurthala House, and meeting some, close friends. But we had put out that story yesterday itself that he'll be meeting Amit Shah, and that is what is exactly playing out now. Captain Amrinder Singh is meeting Home Minister Amit Shah. Now, what we are picking up is, Nabila, Captain Amrinder Singh not joining a BJP, in near future, but he's meeting Amit Shah over security issues. Remember, when he stepped down as Chief Minister of Punjab, he had attacked Navjot Singh Sidhu and he had warned that if Sidhu is given the leadership of Punjab, Punjab is a border state, and Sidhu is close to ISI chief, he's close to Pak Army chief and Imran Khan, and given the sensitivity of the border state, he is a national threat. He is a threat to the national security. And in that context, he is meeting Amit Shah, the Home Minister, to apprise him of what is the situation on the border. He had been saying that arms and ammunition are coming from across the border, drones are coming, they're dropping arms in border state. So he's meeting Amit Shah in that context. But we all know that Captain Amrinder Singh is also exploring possibilities of a fresh platform to launch his all-out war against Navjot Singh Sidhu, the man who saw him out as Chief Minister of Punjab. Now, the options before Captain Amrinder Singh are very clear. He cannot join hands with BJP at the moment because in Punjab, on the ground, there is a lot of anger against the BJP, against the centre over the farm laws. farmers are agitating
in
for
fact,
almost 10 months
we
now over
see
this
very
issue.
clearly visuals coming in on our screens here. We see the cavalcade just on its way that just landed at Amit Shah's residence. Amrinder Singh there has met with the BJP top gun, Amit Shah. He sought a meeting with Amit Shah. In fact, this was a speculation that India Today broke to you first, that Captain Amrinder Singh was all set to be meeting with the BJP High Command, and here he lands at Amit Shah's residence. That's the visual that you get here on your screens. Amrinder Singh's cavalcade there just reaching Amit Shah's residence. In fact, Anand, we know that Amrinder Singh was wanting to meet with Amit Shah and maybe the BJP's top guns only to speak on Punjab's security, national security. But at the moment, for him, after he resigns from the Congress, or rather resigns as the Chief Minister of Punjab, in what capacity is he going to be discussing Punjab's security or national security or even border security for that?
Well, that's interesting, Nabila. Yes, he's no more the Chief Minister of Punjab, but he's still, you know, an MLA, an elected MLA of the Punjab state. So in that capacity, he can very well meet, and also as an ex-Chief Minister of Punjab, he has sought time to meet the Home Minister, and the Home Minister has obliged him. So this is, yes, a lot of background is also there in this meeting, but on the face of it, if you look at it, the captain has, all the advantage as an ex-Chief Minister to apprise the Chief Minister, Home Minister of what is the ground situation in Punjab. He has also been saying that the farmers who are agitating in the state from across the border, there are forces who want to take advantage of the situation. There are Khalistani elements who want to take advantage of the situation, and that's the reason why centre should solve this farm crisis as soon as possible. So these are two possible contexts over which this meeting can take place, Nabila. But yes, as we have been saying, Captain Amrinder Singh is exploring political alternative for himself also. There is a possibility that he might seek concession on the farm laws, and then go back to Punjab as a achiever, as someone who's bargained a bit for the farmers, on behalf of the farmers from the centre, something which the centre has not given so far, and then he has an edge over other politicians, and then he might join hands with the BJP. At the moment, right, this is a speculation, but this is possibility, likelihood, we cannot rule out.
All right, Anand, if I can, cut across and cut focus here. While you have Amrinder Singh meeting with Amit Shah at his residence here, you have simultaneously Congress MLAs from Chhattisgarh, the Bhupesh Baghel camp, who have now arrived into Delhi seeking an appointment with the Congress High Command, wanting for them, in fact, they're wanting to pitch against the change of guard which the Congress has promised, replacing Bhupesh Baghel with Dio. How's that going to pan out? Has the High Command given them an appointment as yet?
Nabila, what we are told is about a dozen MLAs, all of them belonging to Bhupesh Baghel camp, have come here. They are in Chhattisgarh Southern, and they have sought an appointment with KC Venugopal, General Secretary Organization. KC Venugopal is not in Delhi. He's traveling with Rahul Gandhi. He's in Wayanad. So perhaps tomorrow, when he's likely to land tomorrow afternoon, only then the picture will be clear. But this visit of the MLAs, surprise visit, comes in the background of about a dozen MLA writing to party high command that they are ready to resign if Bhupesh Baghel is replaced with T.S. Singh Dev. Remember, Bhupesh Baghel has
stay with us. Anand, stay with us. I'm going to quickly cut across to Kamaljit Sandhu, who's right there outside Amit Shah's residence. All right, she's outside Sidhu's residence. Go on, Kamaljit. What exactly do you see there? We are looking at, of course, at one hand, Amrinder Singh is meeting with the BJP leadership. On the other, you have Navjot Singh Sidhu, who's just resigned, and the Congress party now in no mood to entertain him anymore. They're already looking for an alternative, a change of chief for the PCC. They've not reached out to him as yet. Do we know anything on that?
Nabila, I'm at ground zero. I'm outside Navjot Singh Sidhu's residence here in Patiala. But this is a ping-pong ball match because remember the action shifting from Patiala back to Delhi, where Captain Amrinder Singh is now meeting Home Minister Amit Shah. Now the politics could go anyways. There were speculations and conspiracy theories rife. There have been WhatsApp messages doing the round that Captain could just cross over from Congress party to BJP. But this is only a matter of speculation because the media advisor to the Captain has said that Captain Amrinder Singh has always been a congressman. So there is going to be no change. What he's been up against is Navjot Singh Sidhu and his CM candidature. Now, even as far as Sidhu is concerned, things have not gone down well because with the change of guard, what he perhaps thought was that he would be put in place. But interestingly, once this entire focus was back on Sidhu, Captain himself went to Delhi and there was speculation he would be meeting the Home Minister. That has now happened 24 hours later. He's also expected to meet JP Nadda. So is there some other plan that Captain has, and whether Captain could play a further spoilsport for Congress party, because 3 to 4 months short of Punjab Assembly polls, all this action is happening and all hell is breaking loose in the Congress party, whether it's on the internal front or the external front. Now, what is important is what sort of exchange of talk could happen and what is on the platter from Amit Shah's side and what's on platter as far as Captain Amrinder is concerned. We are outside Sidhu's residence. He's locked himself up right from morning. There was some sort of input that he would move to Chandigarh, but a sulking Sidhu has been inside. He's not been going out anywhere. Now, since he has tweeted and talked about this entire position, remember, many are saying, what is Sidhu's next move going to be? All this has now come to a certain point where things are on a boil. Channi firmly in charge in Chandigarh, meeting his ministers. Sidhu sulking inside. Several of the MLAs meeting him. So the camps are still very much intact, whether it's Captain, whether it is Sidhu, or whether that matter is Channi. Again, Congress can't seem to put its act together. So at this point of time, action shifting back and forth from Patiala.